Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Market Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Magnus Haglind, Senior Vice President and Head of Products Marketplace Technology at Nasdaq. He joins me to discuss opportunities and challenges with financial market structure in 2024. Magnus, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thank you for having me.
You got it. And you're just back from the FIA conference in Boca Raton, Florida, gathering capital market executives around the world. Can you share your top 3 insights from the conference?
Yeah, I think what's obvious is that it's a lot of confidence in the global derivatives market right now. It's a lot of global macro trends that drives uncertainty and people need to hedge. We also see a lot of influx in retail and interest of retail participants to trade derivatives. So a lot of growth in this industry. So that's good to see. Second, based on the high interest rates, it's the cost of clearing is becoming a big issue. So it's a lot of discussions around collateral optimization for the industry, and also to look into more asset classes to clear. And then finally, it's interesting to see how the discussion around cloud is quickly maturing. So we're moving from evangelists more into how do we actually get and reap the benefits and achieve the benefits. And certainly the maturity around regulation is also growing. So I think that's the 3 main themes this year.
What opportunities and challenges does all that represent for the industry?
I think it's a lot of change that happens through market reforms, but also the quickly maturing state around technology. And then finally also, I would say, some changes around market structure. That in total drives basically a confluence of things that senior executives needs to manage. So I think the main challenge for the industry right now is how do you ensure that you spend time on and investments on modernization and not just fixing what needs to be fixed to meet sort of the industry requirements.
What would be one recommendation you would give to financial market infrastructures in 2024?
I think you need to have a very clear modernization strategy that is not just a one-time event. You need to basically set your roadmap for the next 5 to 7 years to see how you're going to do this in a stepwise approach. And based on the quick advancements in tech, it's important that you also build your organizational capabilities and that you have the right talent in your organization to be able to manage that.
And finally, Magnus, what role do you see Nasdaq playing in that journey?
I think as a partner to more than 100 marketplaces globally, we truly want to be a partner with that take the lead of that change. So we truly lean into the investments into emerging technology and makes it practical how to use technology. And we demonstrated that during the FIA Boca, where we ran a couple of roundtables where we sat down with executives and shared our experience and also had a lot of good discussions on how to be successful in driving modernization. So truly, we tried to bring lived experience into the discussion around cloud, but then also now around how to deploy and adapt AI in a responsible way.
All right, Magnus, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.